food processing facilities need a cleaner that quickly and completely cuts through and makes grease and food soils disappear. Pooff Foaming Cleaner is a highly concentrated, heavy-duty, liquid foaming degreaser cleaner with a unique surfactant system in a highly synergized formula. The high foaming action provides the longest active contact time for complete and effective cleaning. Formulated to cut through and remove food and petroleum oils, animal fats, greases, and general soils. The free rinsing formula in Pooff will not leave any residue and it's corrosion inhibited for use on a wide variety of equipment and surfaces.